Hello, happy Mother's Day. Welcome to my channel. This is Akanwu. Thank you for joining me today, guys. How did you enjoy your Mother's Day, or how are you still enjoying, if you're still in it, depending on your time zone? For me, I'm having fun actually, because it's not over. It's just like 6:48 p.m. right now. So today I want to show you how I make Abacha. I have a video of that before. This is, another kind of version, but this is gonna be uncensored, unedited, just for you guys, because it is Mother's Day. So let me show you. Don't mind my kitchen, it's a whole mess today, but you know what, I said uncensored, right? Guys, if you haven't joined my family yet, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It's full of fun. And to my returning subscribers, I want to thank you so much for coming. Thank you guys who watch this video. Like it, share it. Somebody somewhere might need this recipe. Leave your comments. I'm open to any kind of comments. But anyway, let's go do this Abacha Enugu style. Alright, so now I'm gonna be needing 1 cup of oil. This is Akanwu, also known as potash. I put it in cold water and I mix it, and I just sift it out. All I needed was the water, not the sediment. Here I have my African nutmeg, called ehuru, and I have a little bit of Habanero pepper, just 2. I have this diced onions, and I have these onions I cut the round way. This is just for garnishing. I'm gonna be needing crayfish. And this is Utazi. We definitely use this. And I have my my dry fish. Oh, something is falling off. I have my fish that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna fry it, kind of to look like it's dry. What is Abacha without Ukpaka? We call this Ukpaka. Some people call it Ugba. I truly do not know the name in English. I'm gonna be using this, and of course, right here, I have the cassava, which is what we call Abacha. I already washed it. I left it to drain. So I'm putting it here because I really have no space. So now over here I have this is just for garnishing anyway. This is optional. I fried a little bit of red bell pepper and habanero pepper just to coat my fish, not for the Abacha, the African salad itself. This is just for the fish to coat it. So let me show you my first step. I have nobody videoing for me today, so guys, bear with me. Now the first step right here, I hope you can see it. I have my pan already on a low heat. I pour my oil, 1 cup of oil, into my pan. All right. I'm going to be dropping them here so I could have some space. Oh, I forgot something. I'm sorry. This is my stock cube, and this is my Ogiri. It's like a native stock cube. That's how I'm going to make you understand what it is. It's also optional. So now I'm going to pour in my potash water, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it. I want you to see how it looks. You see, all I want is I need it to come to like a pasty consistency, sort of. You see that beautiful mustard color? Yep, we're making the sauce, the base for the Abacha. So people call the Abacha yuca. Actually, in Spanish or in Latin language, it's known as yuca. In English language, I really do not know what it's called, but for us it's cocoyam. Hopefully that's the same thing, in the English language. So this is basically what I want. Mix it to form like a pasty consistency. This is a delicacy in eastern part of Nigeria. I heard it's originated from my state, which is Anambra. I'm not too sure, but every region has a way they do theirs. That's something I come to realize. Everybody has a way, but if you want to touch it up a little bit, you could throw in some shrimps and all that stuff, to make it more modernized. But I'm just kind of making it the local way that we make it. We refer to this as African salad. It's not a full course meal. It's like a side dish or like an appetizer. But I mean, nothing stops you from using it as a full course meal. All right. It has come together properly. Now, the next step, which I'm gonna be doing, like I said, this is not a regular nutmeg. This is African nutmeg. It has a distinctive taste. So I blended it. I'm adding it with my pepper. You could use dry pepper if you want. It's your choice. And I'm gonna be putting in the stock cube and the ogiri. Ogiri is actually locust beans. Yeah. My kids are having fun today. No struggle, no need to tell them don't watch too much game, don't play too much game, don't watch too much TV. You know, it's Mother's Day. They're free to do whatever they want today. Alright, so now I'm gonna be adding my crayfish. This spoon is considered like a teaspoon. Let me just add, you know, 2 of it. It gives it its own nice taste. You stir it together. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting in the Ugba or Ukpaka, whichever way it's known. I really want to know the name it's called in English. I really want to know it. You know, for my non-Igbo speaking friends, so they could understand what exactly this vegetable is. I think I have to make a research to know what it is. Anyway, this is how it looks. I'm just going to allow it to cook a little bit. Just a little bit. Because we don't really cook abacha, you know. My weather is kind of cold, so if not, I just go ahead and make it in the pot like that. Okay, what's this? Let's take this out. I don't know what's this. Oh, it's the same thing. So guys, it's time to put the abacha, but first I want to remove some of this just in case it happens to be more than the abacha itself. If it's not more, then I go back and add it. But for now, to be safe, you know, let me remove some and set aside somewhere right here. Now this is the abacha, like I said. My pot is not so big, so I need to be careful. You just go ahead and put the abacha. You see, because I soaked mine in hot water because I like it soft. I don't like it hard. But if you like it kind of hard, crunchy, just soak with only cold water. You drain it and set aside. Let all the water drain out because you don't need water in this because you already have water from the potash. So this is all I'm doing. Mixing it around. Now if I need to add more, I'm just gonna, you know, take this off in a container and go ahead and bring the one you just saw me took out and mix more, you know. This is smelling so nice already. Meanwhile, right here, I'm gonna fry the fish, you know, if I need the fish fried. I don't really like frying fish. I'm scared of it splashing all over me. Anyway, so go back to what I was doing. That's all we're doing, just mixing it around. I have not added salt because most of these spices here are salty, so the crayfish is salty. The potash kind of have some salty taste, So I'm gonna test it, and if it needs salt, I go ahead and add some salt. But if not, that's it. Alright, I definitely need salt. So let me just add a little bit of the onions. I remember those days back in Nigeria when I go visit my brothers in their place of work. I always, hope to see the people selling this so I could buy from them because it is so yummy. Oh guys, there's something I'm going to also add apart from the fish. I'm going to be adding cow skin also. I'm going to be adding it to it. But I'm going to be, mixing it in the sauce I showed you. If I didn't have the sauce, I was going to put it in here before I put the abacha. So this is fine. You see, I still have a lot left, but this is fine for now. I can do the other ones later. Now I go ahead. This is Utazi. It's like a bitter vegetable kind of. The bitterness still gives it that unique, unique taste, unique flavor that you normally get when you make this. It's so nice. It's so if you don't have this, if you have a garden egg leaf, garden egg is in the family of eggplant, the leaf. If not, your next option is the spinach. You just use the spinach for this, and it should be good. Let me add some little more. I like it so much. It's bitter, but it's good. I'm thinking it's medicinal because the way it's bitter, when you have like a flu-like symptom and you add it to your food, it clears your mouth. That dull taste your mouth have when you're sick? This vegetable helps it. Alright, this is fine. So let me concentrate on the fish. So alright guys, I fried the fish. I needed space, so I had to do that off camera. So finally, remember these onions? This is only for garnishing. Some people, I like to eat it like that. If you don't like, skip. So right now, I'm gonna be adding this cow skin in the sauce and the fish. So you just mix the sauce with the fried fish and the cow skin. The cow skin is not fried. I don't like to fry it, I already boiled it with a little bit of salt. That's all, and water. And it became tender enough, and I drained the water. And it waited for the sauce. So basically, that's it. This is how it looks. The African salad, aka Abacha, or Abacha, aka African salad. Your obstacles, the fried fish and the cow skin. So I'm just gonna serve on this plate. I love this. I could eat it all the time. So, just put some onions, nice looking onions. And let me use this. No, it's really better. Your cow skin. Your fish. Nice, guys. Do you see that? That's the final outcome. come. Look at how beautiful that is. Ugh. So let's see. Let's see. African salad. Who says Abacha is not good? It is good. I could even have it as a meal. Ooh, look at that. All of this for Mother's Day. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you guys. I am thankful to you for joining me. So subscribe if you haven't. Click on the like button, watch other videos, share this video, like, leave your comment. Whatever suggestion you have, drop it on the comment below. I'm gonna put on the description box, you know, the ingredients and probably a direction of how to make this if you want to give it a try. So guys, see you some other time. Please stay safe. Most importantly, stay blessed. Until I come your way again with some beautiful recipes. Bye. Stay blessed.